G'day. I'm just curious to see what the difference between version 1.33 and DMH Z6350BT is. So right now, just jumping through the menus. If I quit out from there, that's what we're looking like at the stock standard screen. I don't know which way we can go. Go up, can we? Radio, down. Go down again. There we go. Favorites. So I'm curious to see if there is there really any graphical interface change once this is done, or once the firmware update is done. I've got it on this USB. Whoop, going to plug that in, do the update. USB plugged in. Settings. System info. Firmware update. USB. Continue. USB memory error. Okay, I'll figure that out first. Round 2. Different adapter. System info. Firmware. USB. Continue. Update file version error. Please check the update version of the file and try again. Looks like I'll try a different USB stick. A USB-C and A SanDisk. I'm almost going to assume can't jump from 1.33 to the latest, so I'm going to download an older version. Reformatted, only thing on the USB. No! USB memory error. Let's restart you. Off. On. There. Nope, back to the other USB stick I go. So I've kind of given up and just downloaded the app and plugged my phone in. So I've got, if I can find it. Oh, there we go. Car AV Assist. I didn't have to make an account. I just purely plugged the cable in, connected via Bluetooth as well. And it's saying 3.7. So I'm going to let that download, which is going to probably happen very quickly. But if I go back over to the PC, the latest version on the pioneer.com.au website is 3.06 as of January 2025. So funnily enough, the version over here that the app's getting is newer. Don't know what differences there are, probably small minor bug fixes. But what the hell, it's going to have a major update. It's taken a little bit longer than I originally anticipated, but hopefully I'm going to get there. Download complete. To transfer to the Pioneer Dash, turn on internet sharing, Wi-Fi. I go here, go car assist, connect smartphone via Wi-Fi, then tap the button on your smartphone. So now I've hotspotted from my phone to the receiver. I go back here. Back, in theory, I should be able to tell it to transfer. Ooh. Transferring. Processing. Transferring. Excellent. Now we'll see where we get to. Firmware update. Start. Righto. So it's transferred it over from the phone. That was that previous countdown. And now it is attempting to do the update. hopefully, fingers crossed, I have a positive result at the end of this countdown. Whoop, whoop. Come on, 101. Come on, 101. You can do it. Okay, we'll just live here now. Ooh. Updated successfully. If updated with USBs, please remove. Rebooting, I'm assuming? Phone's redetected. Pioneer is in automatic connection standby. And back to my original question. If I unplug this. Damn. I was hoping for a bit of a change. Nope. Yeah. But the screen feels a little bit more responsive than where it was earlier. Volume up, volume down. Microphone. Not enabled on your device. Well, that was very lackluster. We go settings. Oh. System information. Current firmware. Oh well, thanks for the journey, and I'll see you later. I'm going to factory reset this wherever it has an option for that, and then probably install it in the car. Bye.